Hey guys, we're going to make a word cloud with the words that you use to describe yourself. So we're going to click right here on wordart.com. This is a word cloud that is compatible with your Google Chromebook. Once you get to this page right here, the first thing you want to do is sign up. We're going to sign up using Google. Be sure you use your school email address. You'll see I kind of already have some here, but you're going to click create. We're going to use the words that you have put on your chart here. And so you'll want to copy and paste into here. I'm going to do 4 words just because that way the video won't be too long. Sorry if y'all hear that. My husband just turned on the TV because he forgot I was doing this. So yes, we are human too. And I did forget the tea. And we'll do one more. We'll do caring, and I think I can just type it in. Oops. So when you press return, it leaves you the spot for your others. You will want to change the size. So you want your number 10 to be size 10, your number 9 to be size 9. So you'll just go on down your list of words, and that's why we ranked them. So your most important one would be the biggest. Don't forget to type your name. I want my name to be as big as my biggest word. Now, if we click here and click visualize, it's going to let you see what your word cloud looks like. So that's what it's set up for me. Well, you can change your font. This is one of my favorites. You can play around with them, see which ones you like. Let's try this one. I'm going to leave those the default. You can change the color, and I'm going to show you my one that's actually better. So you can change the color. And down here, you can make a different shape. So the one I made before was a heart. Oh, this one's kind of cool. You can do different clouds, emojis. There's different hearts. This time, I think I'll do this one. Here's a picture of what the different fonts look like if you want to check that out. You can decide if you want it random or what kind of slope. Do you want it dancing words? Then it gives you again the chance to change colors down here. What do you want to do with that? Different ways that you can play around with it. And we go back to the words. We click visualize. You can see it will look completely different in just a few minutes. So there's my heart. There's my name. You are going to obviously want to save it. You might want to give it a name instead of word art 3, whatever you want to call it. Save again. I want it renamed. You will want to share your link with Miss Crumno. So when you click on this link, do make it public. That way she can see it. Copy to clipboard, and you'll want to post your link in the assignment in the Google Classroom. If you'd like to use this for something else, you can download it as a PNG or a JPEG. So I will now show you my one that has all 10 of my words, although I kind of like that part better. That is definitely not it. Let's go back. There we go. This is it. So see, I went and I changed the colors over here. I made them each different fonts. So you can play around with what you like before you turn it into Miss Crumno. You can decide if you want them animated in different ways. If you'd like to play around with this more, if you look over here, there's some tutorials. So I might not have even need to make this one, but that's how Wordcloud works, and we can't wait to look forward to seeing what you do. Be sure you post your link to the Google Classroom for Miss Crumno.